you're not subscribe our channel, then subscribe our channel and tap bell symbol for instant notification.
Hi friends, today I am going to show you how to make Tab Navigator without using React Navigation. First of all, we have to create the pages like this, first tab, that is first screen, second screen, third screen. Same like first tab, second tab, and third tab. And also I already create a render function. This is having render tab only, the bottom side render tab only. This bottom side render tab has flex 1, so it will be full size. Then it has three text, uh, first tab, second tab, and third tab. Then I have already defined this style sheet, and we have to use view pager Android. This module is used to used this for creating tab navigator. In the sense, we have to use this view pager Android. Okay. Okay, here in this view pager Android is only accepting view tag only. Okay, so we have to create view for each pages. So we have three pages, so I'm also create this tree and call that tag first tab, okay, first tab, second tab, third tab. Okay, now see that here, here no change occur because um, the render tab has flex 1, so we just add more style here. Style dot body tab. Okay, in this body tab style has flex 10, so it it could be, see the changes. Okay, Now you can see the pages. Here no changes will occur because um, the view page width is 0 maybe, so I have changed this width to 100 percentage, 100 percentage. Okay, now see this. Okay, here the this is the first tab, and sliding this is the second tab, then third tab. Now here no changes will occur on pressing below this tab bar. So that's why on press method is want to write here. Before that, the handle method also created. Update tab. Okay, n. This n is no determine the section of the pager. So we have to set the reference for this also. Pager. Okay, now this dot reference pager dot set page of n. Okay, then set state of tab n. On press update tab of 0, because this is first. This is like same as array, so first index is 0. Copy that and paste here and paste again and again. Now replace 0 with 1 and 2. Okay, now here the state tab is updated and the page is set. We can check this. If I click on second tab, it will navigate to second tab. Third, it will navigate to third tab. First, it will navigate to first tab. Okay, now we want to understand uh, with the highlighting the tab bar. So we just place the default one is 0. Okay, So we want to update the style for updating, highlighting tab bar, active tab bar, background color, state dot tab. If it is 0, then this is tab bars, just highlighting purpose. We have just increment this, sorry, decrease this. We have to E, B to A, C to B. Okay. Otherwise, it is transparent. Same this, copy that and paste it this to place. Okay, now same, change the index. Okay, now save. Now what will happen? The final output is here. Okay, okay, here on press the highlighting is correctly working, but we scroll here directly, then the tab bar is not updated. For this we have to add another one function here, view pager Android, called on page selected equal to this dot set state of tab a dot native event dot position. Here the view pager Android is written this position also, so that's why it is directly update on this tab state, so we can uh, make certainly changes in here also. Now let's see the output. Just save this. Okay, now I have clicked on the first tab, next second tab, next third tab. It is perfectly working, and now I have to slide this. Okay, it is working. Yeah, good. Huh. Very well. Thank you, friends. Please subscribe my channel if you are not subscribed. If this video is you like this video, then put a like. Thank you. Happy coding.